Welcome back. As you know, we had a little 4th of July celebration the other day. Had a couple of watermelons that we put in the freezer to cool off. Well, forgot about them. And if you know anything about watermelons, you know once you freeze one, you cannot thaw it out. It just turns to mush and collapses on itself. So I figured I'd take this opportunity to find out what a 30-06 pump action, but 150 grain power point would do to a frozen watermelon. Let's find out. As you can see, ain't much left of it. The watermelon is now literally all over the yard. So now we know. Hunting rounds, frozen watermelons, not a lot left. Well, thanks. I hope you enjoyed it.
We're going back to the
Yeah, I might have to get some of them from you.
Okay.